Algrimson and also Demarai on his home debut scoring for Jamaica. Coach, first, a few opening remarks from you on the performance of the team and the results.
I think it was many chapters in this game. We had some good spells and some bad spells during the match. I think it was, let's say, a good performance when we overall added together, but we can improve in defending and attacking. So it's a lot of things we can work on, but a 1-0, I love a 1-0. You love a 1-0 when you score the week.
Yeah, I got asked that question the other day. What I would, if I'd prefer to score the winner or clear one off the line. And I said score the match-winning goal. But on a serious note, it was important that we got the 3 points because that's all that matters in the end. It wasn't the nicest game. Credit to Honduras because they come and attacked and they made it aggressive, they made it difficult for us, but second half we come back together and we come up with a game plan, and you know you have to be patient in these games and wait for the moments, and luckily the moment fell for me, and on this occasion I scored, and you know, I'm happy to be back home as well. In front of the fans was a great feeling. So most importantly, we take the 3 points. We look back at what we've done good, what we've done bad, and focus on the next game.
Alright, we'll open the floor now for questions. Go ahead, Rashid.
Coach Rashid Pash, the midfield. I want to know your assessment of the players' performance tonight. Do you think he's lacking confidence, or what do you make of his overall performances?
I really don't want to talk about individual performances in an after-match press conference before I look at the game again. I think we were off in midfield in general. First half, we invested too many players in the build-up, lacking then the connection between the defense and the attack. So we didn't find the players we want on the ball. We tweaked that a little bit at half-time. Second half was much better, and then it was about keeping a clean sheet. So we changed the tactics in the second half, thinking of closing the cage and not